So we are back in the garage working on the back of the Bronco, and now AGS Off Road just sent me a package that's got their tailgate reinforcement kit in there. Now this is a prototype, so I'm not going to give you a step-by-step instructions on how to put this thing on, because part of my job here is to help create those step-by-step instructions. So as I'm installing it, and we're going to be learning at the same time, so I'm not going to film that whole install process, but I want to unbox this thing, show you the finished quality, kind of give you my initial impressions of it, and get it installed on the Bronco here. So here's that AGS tailgate reinforcement kit installed. Just a few things to note. So I'll just get up close here so you can see the powder coat finish. It's a really nice textured matte or satin finish. Really good powder coat on here. I couldn't find any spots that were chipped or damaged or anything like that, even though my box showed up a little bit dinged. Shows up wrapped in plastic wrap, so pretty well protected there. The powder coat finish is obviously thick enough then that it's durable, but I also didn't have to worry about reaming out any of the holes or sanding them or anything like that to get the hardware to fit, so that was nice there. I don't love that these are Allen heads and everything else on the Bronco's Torx, so or Torx Plus. That's a very small change that maybe could be made, but overall it's really nice. There are tapered little rubber grommets, or spacers I should say, that go behind here to keep it off of your hinges. And then I know their Airgate kit also comes with adhesive rubber washers that go on the back here to space it away from your tailgate too. So that'll be a nice addition there so that you're not rubbing any paint off. I also have their in-wheel accessory mount with some lights mounted in there. When I put the aftermarket wheels on, those can get aligned better, but they're just in there for now. I didn't put the air compressor in because I just wanted to put the tailgate reinforcement kit on and test that out to see what we can do with that. But there is an option here to mount your quick release air chuck, as well as an antenna or whatever other accessories you want, and that can be mounted either behind your spare, or you also can use the in-wheel accessory mount to mount your air chuck in one of the openings on your spokes. So they give you some options there. These holes here are also going to be for additional accessories, so they're working on a Rotopax mount, so if you wanted to mount a water can or fuel can, you can do so with those, so that's coming too. If you're going to run something larger than the Sasquatch OEM size, which is about a 35, you will need a third brake light extension. That's something that I told them we should probably include in the kit, or at least give an option. So if you're watching this later down the line and you see that as an option, you're welcome. Overall, it's a really nice reinforcement kit. I think it'll make a good addition to what's out there on the market. Install is super simple. And yeah, that's what it looks like installed and ready to go.